Blue color. This is a green color. Red color. Capital letter R. R for rainbow. S. S for sun. T. T for teeth. U. U for unicorn. V. V for vase. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra. Let's print. Green color. R for rainbow. Orange color. S for snail. Blue color. T for tiger. Light pink color. U for unicorn. Red color. V for violin. Yellow color. W for watermelon. Light green color. X for X-ray. Light blue color. Y for yo-yo. Purple color. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat learn R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.